tell them what we're doing?
All right, what are we doing, Braden? Something I'm very against, by the way.
Dude, this is something Sai's been talking about for a really long time, dude.
Of not doing.
This may arguably be like the most controversial video we've ever put on the channel. We're putting neon underneath my Civic. Yeah.
I hate this.
The Fast and the Furious 25-year anniversary is tomorrow at the theaters. So seriously, this is a big deal.
I might just put it on the EM2 so we can go out there.
You guys might want to just run to Walmart, dude. Go get some.
I'm actually down.
Can I borrow 2 jack stands?
Yeah, they're over there by his car.
You know what I'm saying?
Check that one.
I trust him. Did I trust him?
No, check it before you drop that.
Come on. What?
Good thing I checked.
Yeah, you moved that. The reason why I said that is because he jacked it up way more. So it moved.
Yeah, to level
it
it out.
shifted.
Wait, he did?
Yeah, that's why I said check that one too. Okay. Yeah, you got to tighten that, bro. What are you doing?
And then
Remember what I said. This is temporary. I'm ripping it all off.
This is quality.
No.
I tried to get them to sponsor the video. They opened my text and ignored me. So. Thanks, guys. Oh, and what's really the kicker about what I just told you? Need help? Scan QR code to contact us. Okay, so this is the back, and then that looks like it just tees off in the front. So I'll have to
Yeah, because you have to run that in the car.
Good, I like that. I like that a lot.
Oh, that one's gone.
Alright guys, I've given up. Sai has been judging me this whole time, so I'm going to let him go ahead and do the side skirts as well as the rear bumper, because I'm over it. Alright guys, so these are the little brackets that it came with. Really nice, convenient self-tapper screws that do not drill into plastic for crap. Yeah, this is the install as of right here, right now. What's up, man? Got some food on? There's a really nice table right there you can set your food on and work on.
So how are you going to run this wire?
So we're going to run it nicely somewhere.
All right. What's the pathway?
What's the plan?
What's the pathway that you want to take?
I have no idea. Have you ever done this?
No.
Neither have I.
I've never been...
To figure out how to route this. Like nice, you know?
Wrap it around the headers.
We did get my side all mocked up over here. Yeah, nice and secure, just like that. Guys, I don't know if this is truly, I don't know if this is a forever thing, but hey, for the sake of the movie, we're gonna run it though. Outside temporary. I don't know what I'm doing. Right there. You see that?
Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. He's a little one. Can I pick him up?
Squaring up, dude.
Pick him up?
They bite. That's cute. They bite. Oh, you can
You're gonna
fly.
fly, dude. Let me get him.
You get bit. Hey, get him away from here.
Oh! Oh! How's it going?
I just want to turn it on and see.
You too. Want to do it?
Should we kick it on real quick? Alright, someone go kick it on. Technical difficulties. Dude. Childhood dream come true. And in good old Honda guy fashion. Half-assed. This is sick, dude. You can't tell me this isn't sick, Sai. Can we cut the lights for a second?
Yeah.
Then you gotta do a video of the garage door opening and it's just on.
Yeah, dude.
You should have done one at the bay, dude.
We still can. It's that red, yellow, green. You got brightness settings, so that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, you're gonna hijack some freaking semis?
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna go steal some DVDs.
That club downtown.
So now we just gotta figure out how to do the back. We'll touch bases. In fact, the next clip is gonna be a video of us rolling this bad Larry out of here.
It's so cool. The camera doesn't do justice, but it's so sick.
That's pretty sick.
It looks actually pretty cool, dude. Watch it. I'm gonna pull mine.
Dude.
Hey, you see the back? That was a big car. Look, does it? It's not as bright. That's a side one, dude. That's perfect.
Right.
Look at it. Like legit, and it freaking worked out great.
That looks so sick. No, you can't.
Perfect.
Yeah, guys, check this out. So sick. I think this was a success. I'm happy with it. We're about to go cruise downtown right now. And yeah, just see what we can do. Get some cool shots, hopefully. I do want to show you guys real quick. So the remote that it came with, there's got an assortment of colors that we can utilize. And as soon as I find it. All right, so this is the remote that you got. So let's see, you got red. We've got green, blue, white, orange. Doesn't really look like orange. Yellow. What color is this? Like an aqua color. Purple. Then you can just make it dance. And it's got a music function too that we can utilize, which we might try to hook the car up to Bluetooth here in a little bit and use an app. But yeah, we're gonna rock the green because the car is green and it's the Fast and the Furious anniversary. So we gotta run the green.
That's sick.
It looks sick, huh? Should we go cruise? All right, let's do it. Well, we made it. It's pretty cool. You always gotta experiment and see what you can do with what you got. Check it out. Well, guys, this is it. It's pretty cool.
25 years. This movie has effed my life up.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. A little bit different than what we usually do around here, but figured I'd still just bring you guys along with me. Yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully not 2 months from now. Catch you guys in the next one.